You operate your storage facility on Easy Storage Solutions, and you have been asked by your Argus advisor to provide a couple of reports out of the Easy Storage Solutions software in order to facilitate a valuation. To do so, I'm going to show you which reports you want to get. So when you log into your Easy Storage Solutions, it should take you to your dashboard, which looks something like this. This is a demo. You'll go to Reports and either click All Reports or just Reports. It'll both take you to this page, which lists all the reports available for your facility. The relevant reports to do a valuation are your occupancy history, and management summary reports. So to start, click Occupancy. It will show from today's date. You'll want to click PDF. And some of you might be able to just save it from here. Otherwise, you'll see this up here. You can either print it as a PDF or click Download to download the file. It should open as a download here. Click that and then Save As, or from here you can open it, show it in the folder, and then save it. Click Save As to anywhere on your computer, and you've got your first report. The second one, you'll go in, back to Reports. You can either get there from clicking back here or just clicking Reports again. Go to Occupancy History. And the same thing here. You'll want to click the PDF button there and then save it to your computer. And this way I'll go, same thing, download the file. Save As somewhere onto your computer. And you've got 2 of your reports already. Back to Easy Storage Solutions, the last report you'll want to grab is over here, is the Management Summary. So what you want to do is click Management Summary. Now you'll want 2 from these. The first Management Summary you'll want is just today, so you can leave, the default will be today's date. You want to get a PDF of that. Now, same thing, you want to download that. Save it to your computer somehow. In this case, we'll download that, click it, it'll open like this, and then you want to Save As, and save that somewhere on your computer. Now the other management summary report, we'll go back to get, we'll go back to, you can either, it should be open here, you can always click back to reports to get back to it, but then you'll want to click the last day of last year. So in this case, December 31st. Of 2022. I want to click that report. You can either, and then load report. Now you'll do the same thing with the PDF. You'll save as. Now this should be, well, because this is a demo, it doesn't have info here, but yours should show a lot of information here. Same thing, save as, and now you've got your 4 reports. Go ahead and open your email. Attach those 4 PDFs and email them to your Argus broker. Thank you, and we look forward to doing a valuation for you.